This is Jackson from Prima laser company. We are manufacturer for the CNC fiberlaser cutting machine. This is our extendable table fiberlaser cutting machine. Now it's still on the way, under testing now. This exchangeable table, the work table size is 3 meters length and 1.5 meters wider. The size is effective, and the power source is 1000 watts IPE. Now we are running the machine and testing before delivery now. Let me recommend our extendable level table, the frame. This is a totally welded steel body. It's with the solid steel, and we have 3 steps to make the body. First step is to weld all the structure together. Then to do the machining, to polish, to do the rough polish and rough milling. Then we send it to outside for the heating treatment. For the heating treatment to give the longer using life and no shaking during the use. And then we polish and machining the structure again to give the accuracy and beautiful for the structures. You can see this. You can see our body is very good. The surface is like a mirror. Very perfect. Very perfect machining. Only by this can give the good accuracy for the machines. And also, this is the guideline. We use the Heaven Orange Heaven guideline. And the G rank is from Germany, OER company. OER company. This G rank is four side, very good. Only by this can give the moving accuracy, and we match them together after during the assembly. And also for the middle, you can see this is for the cooling and to move exist the dust outside, and the stronger, very stronger. Also you can see our inside. We have the frame inside the frame, so the can give the very strong body. This is our 6 meters and 2 meters wider exchangeable fiberlaser cutting machine. Very strong body, very heavy body. We're different from others. Some others just pipe welding, but we are using the steel heating treatment welding. You can see this. This is our single table fiberlaser cutting machine. We use it in our factory by ourselves to cut the racks for the fiberlaser cutting. The model is 1000 watts IPG, Germany, and the table size 4 meters length and 1.5 meters long, 1.5 meters wider. All is with very high standard components. Now we are cutting the 4mm carbon steel in a good manner. I would like to introduce this controller. This controller is from Bochu company, China-based controller company, and the software name is the SIPCART system. And also the computer is not a home computer. It's the industrial computer. So during the use, this is no problem. It's very easy and operate. This is the Bochu system, and the wires are all Schneiders. It's a C level machine. Also our electric components has the air conditioner. This air conditioner can remove the dust and the humidity water outside from the electric box. So the machine will so the electric will be all safe. And this one is the IPG 1000 watts. This one is the cooling system from Hanli, Wuhan brand. Also, the lubricating is from the it's Holy lubrication, automatic lubrication. Here is some cutting samples for the 1000 IPG. I can show you why the IPG is better than the Rickers. Just the Rickers is China-based, can copy 90% of the IPG source, but IPG can give a bit better cutting results. You can see the samples. This one is 0.9, 0.8 by fly cutting. This is very without leaving any mark, no marks. And this one is for the particles. This one is industrial use for the 1mm mirror stainless steel. You can see the small holes is cutting very good, cutting very good, and no burrs at all, This is a 3mm aluminum cutted by 1000 watts IPG. If you want to cut a higher thick, such as 4mm, 6mm, you can buy a higher power, 2000 watts, 3000 watts. Also no birds. This is a 5mm carbon steel cutted by air, with air. You can see very beautiful, and the angle is very sharp. Very beautiful cutting results. This is 20 millimeter. Let me explain the exchangeable table laser cutting machine. Now it's you can see its function. Automatic move exchange by this key. When you approach, then again. If you have big amount sheet metal for the laser cutting, you can buy the exchangeable laser table. Just now you can see one table is higher, one table is lower, right? When you put the sheet here, the laser head will goes down to here, and when the higher work table goes here, the laser head will go up again. Also, it's fully protection with a full protection cover. Also, in some place it's with this acrylic to protect the workers' eyes. So during the cutting, you can close the door, and the machine can run automatically. You can also see here. You can also watch the cutting conditions from the side. There's also acrylic mirror. See the inside cutting. The servo motor is by the Yuskawa.
向那边走一点，动一下。叫那边动一下，
动一下，动一下，动一下。So when this shade is cut, you can remove the finished sheet metal and change the new sheet metal.
可不可以再动一下？
再动一下。Go up and go down. To the low stitch, then the laser head goes down.